CareCo Maximus assembly video. Start with all the items laid out in front of you, and make sure the scooter's in drive mode before you begin. Loosen the hand wheel on the side of the tiller and tighten again when it's upright. You'll then need to extend the front section to open up the footplate. Lift the seat firmly to lock it into place. Now fit the battery pack into the chassis. Lift the seat handle and place the seat into the hole, releasing the handle once it clicks. You can then pull up the armrests. Add the basket to the front of the tiller. Place the scooter on charge before its first use. The charging time will be stated in the manual.